Welcome to DrewTech Hub. If you're new here, special welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you how to add tasks on Todoist.com. There's a couple of ways that we can add tasks on this application, so let's get started. So you could always add tasks if you see a plus sign, a red plus sign on any area. So let's start on the upper left where you'll see add task. You could type out the task the way you want it. So let's just say do laundry at 10 a.m. on Saturday. So it'll show up. The application can see what time you would want the task to be done. So it's going to show up Saturday at 10 a.m. Once you add the task, you could go to upcoming and see do laundry 10 a.m. on Saturday the 21st. Another way we could add the tasks, let's say you want to add the task for today, you could do walk your dog 1 p.m. 1 p.m. today. So when you add the task, it also show up on your tasks for today, and then go to your upcoming. It'll just show the days of the entire week. You could click the check mark if you've already finished it. And then also on this tab, you can also add your tasks for the certain days of the week that you would want to add more for your to-do list. So if you have any questions, so that's it. Thank you so much.